In the last video, we have seen how to edit the post, optimize the blog post, and also we have installed and activated header and footer plugin. We can see all the installed plugins by going to plugins and installed plugins here, header and footer, correct? One more thing to be remembered, that we need to activate light speed cache once everything is done. If our posts are not linked with another post, then it is counted as orphaned post. Therefore, what we can do, we can edit this post. We'll go to our post link, we'll view our post which we have published few minutes back. I'll also read about organic paper, and in this we'll insert the link of our post which is about the organic black paper, and we will update this. Now time to implement schema markup. As we can see, there are many options in this theme. We can add image gallery. Always good to have 3-4 images. In the beginning of the course, we have installed this structured data plugin. This option is also there. However, I'll recommend not to enter custom schema here because sometimes it creates conflicts. Now what we can do is save this. We have to go to installed plugins once again, and we will go to header and footer for plugins setting. Here we'll create post and pages after activating the plugin properly. Okay, now header and footer code option is activated. To insert schema markup, go to easy SEO check. easyseocheck.com. Here, this one, schema markup. We'll select product option, and brand will be, if it is our brand. If it is someone else's brand, then we have to mention their brand. It is okay. Name will be the name of the post. One thing to remember, that we cannot put colon or semicolon here. We just have to remove this and we can dash. Image or blog posts URL. Paste it here. Copy the description which we have inserted in the meta description using Yoast plugin. Rating say 4.9 based on how many? 100. Right? Copy to clipboard. SEO we have optimized. Images we have done. Now head code option, we can enter schema. So as of now, everything is done. Okay, now one more thing, 2 things we have to do before submitting the website in Google and Bing. We need to go to plugins, so activate this. We have to activate the light speed cache for better performance, and then we have to disable the maintenance plugin. This one we have to disable. Okay, we have optimized the blog post, implemented schema markup. In the next video, we'll learn how to submit the website in the Google and Bing. See you in the next video.